So to start, we won't look at the food. I'll pretend that I don't notice that the birds are eating the food behind me and, let them have a field day. And as you can see, without me looking at the birds, they're eating the French fries. I assume. I'm not looking at it, but I assume they're eating the French fries. Now, we'll test the second part of the theory. If I look at the birds, they won't eat the French fries. You'll notice I'm not waving my arms, I'm not shooing them away in any way, I'm just maintaining eye contact with these magnificent birds. Hey, okay, that didn't work at all. Okay, that didn't work at all. The theory doesn't work because they'll just come in greater numbers and eat all the food. Maybe with one seagull it'll work. Maybe. This myth has just been debunked.